Hey everyone, Dan at Performance Motorworks. So I was just sitting here looking at my phone, looking at an actual client's car where we did one of our comprehensive courtesy inspections. And I thought what a great opportunity it would be to show you a real example of how transparent our system is and how you can really follow along in real time and watch your car being worked on and not have any questions about what's going on. So looking down at my phone, I'm going through a courtesy inspection, and we use this awesome just green, yellow, red methodology for how we do things. So red, of course, meaning something that needs immediate attention. This car has a few things we were able to capture in this courtesy inspection, which was really great. Where this customer can stay safe and reliable on the road. This one in particular, if you pop on the notes and you look here, you can see they had a tire that was in really bad shape. They probably shouldn't be driving on. Luckily, we were able to catch that. The customer didn't come in for that. They came in for something totally different. But by keeping a diligent eye on the car, we were able to see that. And this is what you'll see too when you could pick up your phone just like I am, answer a text message or an email that we sent over. You can kind of follow along and you can see pictures, you can see progress of what we've done. It really just is great. It's transforming the way that car repair is done. The old days of sitting there wondering what's going on with the car, where are they at in the process, or wondering, hey, is this guy, is what he's telling me, is it really what's going on? Well, there's no question when you can see it right in front of you in pictures of your actual car. So thanks so much for taking a minute to look. I know that you're going to love this way of doing things, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.